This is Atimartha. In this video, we are going to go through one of the components of the search strategy as used in researching the topics, like when you're given a topic or it is a research topic, and it's still one of the topics. Research strategy is one of the topics in our first unit, information literacy. So the component we are going to handle today is database selection. Database selection, these are basically information sources. That is another name for database selection, is just information sources. Choosing databases which are always, remember to choose databases which are relevant to your subject area, since different databases specialize in specific fields. So when you're going through the databases, or when you're selecting the database to use, first identify, as we handled in the last previous video, first identify the key concepts of your research topic, and then you choose the database which is matching, or the database which is okay for your research. So database selection includes the subject matter focus of the database, coverage of relevant publication within your field, accessibility, which we refer as the concepts or the key aspects of database selection, which we say is relevance to your research topic, coverage and depth, publication types, date range, and such features. When you talk about relevance to your research topic, we are trying to basically mean that ensure the database primarily covers publication related to your research area, whether it's a specific discipline like medicine or business, or it is interdisciplinary, meaning maybe it is broader. When you talk about coverage and depth, we are trying to mean that evaluate the database's comprehensiveness or understanding in terms of the number of publications included and the range of journals or sources in the indexes within your field or within your research topic. When you go to publication types, we're trying to say that always consider if the database provides access to the types of publications you need, such as peer-reviewed journal articles, or conference papers, book chapters, and grey literature. When you talk about data range, we are trying to mean, this basically means check if the database covers the time frame relevant to your research, specifically if you are studying a topic with historical or recent development. When you talk about such features basically means analyze the database's research capabilities, including the availability of such subject headings, the Boolean operators, which we shall handle in our next video. Then also you can access and cost, that is determine whether the database is accessible through your institution or requires a personal subscription, because some databases might need you to pay some money. So you can, if you're in an institution or a school or university, first find out whether that database is there for free, or you can just get your personal subscription. Some of the examples of database selection includes medical research. When you're doing your medical research, you can basically use maybe this one, PubMed, or Embase, or Cochrane Library, can be used in medical research, mostly by students, medical students, or maybe doctors, or those ones in the medical field. So for them, they can basically use their PubMed here, or they can use Embase, or they can use Cochrane Library for their research. And those who are doing business studies, or students or lecturers, or students all in the business field, they can basically use this ProQuest or just GSTOR. Then those ones in social sciences, those ones can basically use this